Hey everyone, it's Eric here from Microscope. Another video for you guys today. This is the A2338 M2 MacBook Pro. From what we understand, there actually is a liquid spill going on inside, so we definitely just want to jump right into a liquid spill because we know there's liquid damage, and we want to take a look to see what's going on inside the board. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's open it up. Now, oh yeah, we are greeted right there with a bunch of corrosion all over the board. So there's your LCD connection, which is here, and we could see a little bit of the seafoam, blue color, aqua color, and man, it hits the LCD area, close to where the backlight is as well, and just some other power areas there. So we have our board out, so let's go over to the microscope, take a look at it a little bit further. Liquid spill. Looks a little bit more heavier along the backlight area. When you see a bunch of these are fuses. They're for backlight, so maybe you'll get an image, but then you won't get a backlight if this is damaged. This got pretty hit. And since this got pretty close to where the LCD is, let's see if the LCD, okay, so the connection to the LCD looks to be fine. It needs to come off because we're going to be doing some solder work there, but we'll see. So let's focus on the little damage first, and then we'll work our way to the heavier one. So let's just clean this up. Okay, so our worst areas are here because they are completely like rusted and charred. And that's definitely a heavy impact to it. So we can replace all of these here, and we'll probably just replace this one at the edge here. Okay, it melted. There we go. Let's get the rest of this area. Alright, so let's get the last one and we'll clean up this area. Right there, okay. So let's put some flux all over here. We'll clean it up too, as well as do a replacement. So 2 for 1. Let's do that. Oh man. This one got a little bit bad, so let's get some more flux. There we go, just try to recreate what we can. So we have a little piece, but that little piece should be good enough. So I can reset it down. Let's move over there, it should connect. So watch it melt, it should fall right into place. Let's see. Maybe. There we go, you saw that? Pushed itself in. So this should be okay. Okay, it's stiff, looks good. And the flux also does a really good job of cleaning up the areas better. So this looks fine. Solder over there, so let's put this one back because that's not even connected. There we go, back. There we go. Okay. Let's push this one up just to make it look a little bit nicer. There we go, that's better. All right, so we'll clean this area up. Okay, so the board looks to be fine. So let's put it back. I better not forget to put the LCD connection back because, yeah, I better do that first. So I'm gonna do that and we're gonna put it back in and then we're gonna go ahead and test it and it should work. Okay, so we have at least enough. We don't have touch bar connected, which is fine. We have everything enough. Now what we're looking for is not only power, but we also wanna see a backlight. And we got backlight and power's on. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on the A2338 2022 M2 MacBook Pro for repair. If you guys are interested in sending your MacBook for repair, we're right outside of Washington, D.C., Northern Virginia. We have all the contact links in the description down below and how you can mail in your MacBook. Check that out. And we'll see you guys next one. Thanks a lot for watching guys. Take care. Bye.